Hi everyone, this is KJV Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will gonna do another reaction video kasi nagawa natin ng reaction video. Nang unang lumabas talaga yun, nagawan ko talaga ng reaction video si Bini Joanna together with Alamat, which is the Maharani. And then the next one, ginawan ko din si Maloy, which is the Dilaw. Ginawan ko din si, sino nga yun? Si Stacy, kakagawa ko lang. And for today's video, si Bini, hindi ko alam talaga, lately lang to sumisikat Itong kanta na to ni Jeremy G, itong Bini, lately lang to sumisikat sa YouTube. Akala ko, bago lang to, yung may remix silang ginagawa. Matagal na pala, this was last year pa, and hindi ko talaga alam na meron palang ganito. So I won't take any longer, I'm really excited to watch this. Jeremy G together with Bini Aya sa song na Bini music video. So hindi ko pa to napakinggan, hindi ko pa to napanood. Napakinggan ko lang yung remix niya, pero konti lang na sinasayaw ni Jeremy G, or parang dinadance cover niya ata yun. Akala ko talaga bago lang yun. Kasi si Jeremy, pina-follow ko yan sa TikTok. Nagko-compose siya ng kanta, so hindi ko alam kung bago ba ang kanta na kinocompose niya, or nakanta niya na, or na-publish niya na, and what not. So, yeah, panoorin natin to. I'm so excited. Uy, ang ganda ng color grading. Promising din to si Jeremy, sa totoo lang. Oh, promising din to eh. Ooh. Ay! With the chemistry, ah! Oh, this is one thing that I really love about him talaga, is the way he do some shifting. It reminds me of Sam Concepcion, actually. Sayang lang talaga, hindi ko alam bakit hindi ito minamarket ng bonggang-bongga. Pero magaling to eh. Oh, God, wait lang, Aya. Aya, the visual of Aya is so giving. Look at that. Look at that. The color grading, the cinematography really fits sa kanyang muka. Sobrang ganda ni Aya dito. Sa true. Sobrang ganda ni Aya dito. Okay. Okay. Yes. Diba? Aminin ninyo, it reminds me, actually, ginawan ko lang to ng reaction video because of Bini Aya, kasi gusto ko makita dito ang acting skills ni Bini Aya, yung alam mo yon, yung tipo yung visuals niya talaga dito. But then again, hindi ko na-expect na gagawa din ako ng reaction video, and papanoorin ko din, and gagawa ko ng reaction video to si Jeremy G. Sa totoo, kasi alam ko na magaling talaga si Jeremy G. Ang ganda ng kanta nito, na 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 na. Ang ganda ng descending doon. The descending part, yung pababa ng pababa ng pababa. Plus the placement, masyadong na-emphasize yung boses si Jeremy G. And of course, matagal pa ba si Aya ilalabas? Ganda ni Aya. Ang ganda ni Aya, no? As in, parang, yung kanyang beauty is very classic, very regal. Sa true lang. Eh. Ooh, love that. I love that. Grabe yung musicality ng katawan niya. Ay! Oh my God! Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God! I really love the frame. I really love the frame. Oh my God, the chemistry. Oh my God, the chemistry. The way Bini Aya look at Jeremy G. Look at that. Kahit walang dialogue si Aya, no, you can see or you can feel the acting skills as well of Aya. Look at that. Parang tinitingnan niya talaga yung soul ni Jeremy. Naging mahinahon talaga ako kasi parang ang tahimik ng place eh. Kung titignan mo, parang ang tahimik nila na tinitingnan niya lang talaga si Jeremy G. Diba? Anyways. Ay, siya na ba? Patay na chemistry. I love the song. I love the song. Oh my God! Ah! Puro chemistry, putang ina. Sure ba? Grabe yung mga runs niya, no? Yes! Ganda ni Aya, gagis. Oh my God! Ah! Kala ko magkikis sila. Aya! Parang nagsiselos ako. Pares ko kasi ni Crush. Ay, sumayaw. Anda ka na alis. Oh my God! Aya! Nice. Liligaya ka, Aya. Oh my God! Oh my God, this is so timeless. Ang ganda nun. Oh my God! Kinis siya ba? Ay, nabitin ako. Ang ganda ng frame na to, oh. In fairness sa music video nila, the color grading is very giving din, ha. In fairness, ha. Ay, tapos na. There you go, guys. That is our for today's video. Ay, baka meron pa. Baka may kwento pa. Ay, wala na. There you go, guys. That is our for today's video. Beanie from Jeremy G. And of course, from Beanie Aya. Nagawa ko din siya ng reaction video at last. This is KJ Vlogs. See you in my next vlog. Bye!